Looking for the perfect wireless earbuds? Whether it's for music, calls, or workouts, finding the right pair can be a game changer. In this video, we're revealing the top 9 wireless earbuds of the year, offering top-notch sound quality, comfort, and battery life. From budget-friendly picks to premium options, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned and discover your next favorite earbuds. Please subscribe Electro Deals for more interesting products. Thank you.
At number 1, we have Oib Wireless Earbuds. Wireless earbuds sport adopt advanced Bluetooth 5.4 technology. Use wireless headphones, you will get 3x faster transmission speed than before, more stable connectivity, lower power consumption, and ultra-low latency listening experience. Open the lid of the charging case. The Bluetooth earbuds can be automatically connected to the previous paired device and ensures a strong, continuous connection within a range of up to 15 m from the paired device. With fast charging Type-C interface, the in-ear wireless headphones be fully charged for only need 1 hour. Playtime lasts for 10 hours from a single charge and a total of 50 hours with the charging case. Earbuds feature a dual LED digital display that provides real-time battery status. Whether you're on a long journey or in a long meeting, our wireless earbuds have got you covered. Smaller than ordinary sports headphones. The exact touch position of the wireless earbuds Bluetooth is located in the upper part of the earbuds.
At number 2, we have Btootos wireless earbuds. The wireless earbuds use the Bluetooth 5.3 chipset. There is a faster and more stable signal transmission and has successfully achieved low latency without interruption. With a range of up to 15 m, whether you are at home, in the office, or on the road, you don't have to worry about disconnection of the Bluetooth earbuds. Automatic pairing and compatible with multiple devices. The LED display on the charging case shows you the charge level of the case as well as the wireless earphones, so you can precisely control the charge level of your headphones wireless for your convenience on the go. The Bluetooth earphones offer up to 6 to 8 hours of usage on a single charge. With ultralight nano coating, the headphones with mic reach IP7 waterproof grade, dust and rain proof, the extreme lightness.
At number 3, we have Aptkdoe wireless earbuds. Running headphones provides up to 15 hours continuous using time on a single charge. Portable charging case can charge the earbuds for 5 to 6 times, giving 75 hours of a total playtime, whether on the road or in daily life. Features with the advanced Bluetooth 5.3 chip technology. Apto HD65 wireless headphones support HFP-A2DP, HSP AV-RCP, which provides instant pairing and stable transmission without interruptions. The wireless earbuds sport features ear hooks made of an innovative TPU, elastic, material that not only solves the problem of Bluetooth earphones falling off when running, but is also comfortable to wear and anti-allergic. Bluetooth earphones 14.2 mm large-size speaker driver delivers powerful bass, mellow mid-range, and clear treble, reproducing your music vividly to power your workout.
At number 4, we have Tozo Hybrid active noise canceling wireless earbuds. With a maximum noise reduction depth of 45 dB, immerse yourself in your music without any distractions from the outside world and focus on what matters most, your music. Enjoy crystal clear call quality even in noisy environments. As the earphones actively filter out background sounds, these earbuds features built-in 10 mm drivers and an exclusive Oryx acoustic 2.0 sound technology, delivering deep, rich bass and precise audio clarity, allowing you to enjoy music, movies, and calls with enhanced overall experience. While the choice of 6 sizes replaceable ear caps ensures maximum comfort, even for long listening sessions. Keep the headsets within active lifestyles. They can withstand sweat, rain, and even accidental splashes, making them perfect for outdoor activities. At number 5, we have JBL Vibe Beam, true wireless JBL deep bass sound earbuds. Get the most from your mixes with high-quality audio from secure, reliable earbuds with 8 mm drivers featuring JBL deep bass sound. The ergonomic, stick-closed design of the JBL Vibe Beam fits so comfortably you may forget you're wearing them. The closed design excludes external sounds, enhancing the bass performance. Up to 32, 8H plus 24H hours of battery life and speed charging. With 8 hours of battery life in the earbuds and 24 in the case, the JBL Vibe Beam provide all-day audio. When you need more power, you can speed charge an extra 2 hours in just 10 minutes. At number 6, we have Riken Everyday Earbuds. Fast charge technology. 1.5 hours of earbud battery from 10 minutes of case charging. The Riken Everyday earbuds last up to 8 hours playtime on a single charge. The Riken Everyday earbuds last up to 8 hours playtime on a single charge. Ergonomically designed for supreme comfort, these earbuds offer a snug fit that feels natural, allowing you to enjoy your music for hours without any discomfort. Like a pillow in your ears, the Everyday earbuds gel tips provide the cushion you need for long days. Jam out to your favorite tunes pain-free. Experience seamless connectivity like never before with our earbuds equipped with multipoint connection technology, allowing you to effortlessly switch between two devices without missing a beat. At number 7, we have Jabra Elite 8 Active Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Built for elite athletes, these earbuds meet U.S. military standard for ruggedized electronics, passing 9 durability tests, and ultra-durable to protect against dust, water, and sweat. Spatial sound powered by Dolby. Instead of experiencing sound directly inside the ears, you'll feel sound as if it's outside your head, making listening on earbuds more lifelike. Play a video on your phone or put on your favorite workout playlist. 6-hour battery life boasting up to 56 hours with ANC off, 32 hours ANC on. With the Earbuds Plus sleek charging case and the fast charge feature, these earbuds allow you to never worry about being caught out by low battery again.
At number 8, we have status audio between 3 ANC Onyx wireless earbuds. The status audio between 3 ANC earbuds are equipped with a sophisticated triple driver system, featuring 1 dynamic driver and 2 balanced armature drivers, delivering a powerful and immersive audio experience. This unique configuration ensures crisp highs, detailed mids, and deep bass, providing an unparalleled sound quality that will captivate any audiophile. The Between 3 ANC earbuds offer an impressive battery life of up to 8 hours on a single charge with ANC activated, and up to 12 hours with ANC off. The included USB-C fast charging case provides an additional 24 hours of power, ensuring your earbuds are always ready when you are. With just a 15-minute charge, users can enjoy up to 2 hours of playback time. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the status audio Between 3 ANC earbuds come with multiple ear tip sizes and wingtips. At number 9, we have Sony WF1000XM5 WF1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling earbuds. Immerse yourself in a world of superior sound with these earbuds. The Sony WF1000XM5's advanced technology. Designed to deliver top-notch sound quality, these Bluetooth earbuds offer the best truly wireless noise-canceling performance available. Clear call quality with these earbuds noise-canceling Bluetooth earbuds. The WF1000XM5's AI-based noise reduction algorithm and bone conduction sensor. These Bluetooth earbuds noise-canceling ensure your voice is heard clearly, even in noisy environments. Say goodbye to battery life concerns with these noise-canceling headphones. Bluetooth, the WF1000XM5's long-lasting battery. These wireless earbuds noise-canceling offer up to 8 hours of